want to learn Ojibwe language and culture, you've come to the right place, Niji, to learn about it all. Nah. How you doing, baby?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you, sweetie?
Oh, not too bad. You ready to start another show?
Yeah, okay.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this right here, this is my weenie Mushane, my sweetheart. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha. You can know BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing today?
And, yeah. So you know what? I was thinking we could do a kind of a different word of the day today. It'll be like a history lesson.
Oh, really? What do you have in mind?
Well, let me just pull this up. So I was doing a Wikipedia search. Wikipedia. And I was thinking our Ojibwe word of the day should be Gamisquawak Kokog Jamaikog.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah. Gamisquawak Kokog, Gamisquawak Kokog Jamaikog is what the Anishinaabe used to call Cass Lake. And in English it means the lake of the Red Cedars, Red Cedar Lake. And hey, you guys, if you want to see a cool band, go see Red Cedar Lake Band. Those guys are awesome.
Oh,
anyway,
yeah.
What was I going to say? Oh yeah, so instead of calling it Red Cedar Lake, or just leaving the Ojibwe word, like Bemidji, they decided to honor this guy, Lewis Cass. Wait, where is he? This fat Freemason. And I just don't understand it. There's like so many things. The city is located on the shore of its namesake, Cass Lake, which was named in honor of Michigan Governor Lewis Cass. Well, there you go. Let's honor this Freemason governor from Michigan. We'll rename our lake. We'll rename the town. We'll rename the county. Everything in honor of this one creepy secret society guy. I don't know. So here's my so that's the word of the day. Misquawak is red cedar. Gamisquawak Kokog is the area of the red cedars. Gamisquawak Kokog Jamaikog is the area of the Red Cedars Lake. And I think we should rename Cass Lake. I think it's time.
Yeah.
So if you're with me, leave a comment. Would you like to see us change the name? How do you even change a name?
I don't know.
What? We need somebody's permission? From now on, I'm calling that place Misquawak Kokog Jamaikog.
Me too.
Misquawak Kokog. We should write a song so people can know that.
Okay.
Anyway, anything else you want to add here, sweetie?
No, that was pretty good.
All right, you want to send us out?
Sure. Well, hey, everyone. Just want to say, Miigwech, Ganawabi Yeg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, ho.
Oh, geez, you did that just good.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
language and culture. You've come to the right place, need you to learn about it all. Welcome to Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
La 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 la.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.